Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Welcome to the Hope School and College Mirwa Gorchani. In the previous video, we have done some of topic chapter 8 biology book from 9th class. Now in this video, we have also discussed the few topics of chapter 8. The name of this topic is component of human foods, problem related to nutrition, protein deficiency disorder and mineral deficiency disorders. So first topic of this video is components of human foods. So first is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are necessary for your body, especially glucose, which is primary source of energy. And the other components of human food is protein. Proteins are complex molecules. The body takes place longer to break them down. As a result, they are much slower and long-lasting source of energy than carbohydrates. And the third is vitamin. Vitamins is an organic molecules and essential macronutrients. Then an organisms need to small quantities for proper function. And other topic is problem related to nutrition, malnutrition. And the problem associated to the nutrition first is weight loss, dry skins, brittle thin hairs, and the other problem deficiency disorders to proteins. First is swellings, skin problems, hair and nail problems, infections, and showing this all problem in this video. And the last topic is mineral deficiency. Common signs for mineral deficiency is acne, anemia, asthma, and other all shown. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe.